Hi, this is Rozani. I want to wish you a happy holiday season and a very Merry Christmas. Let me tell you about my elves. They don't just sit around on shelves. They like to be bottle toppers, ornaments, centerpieces, all kinds of things. Here are some of the pieces I've worked on in the past and some that are in progress. Have you made any elves for this holiday season? In any medium, whether clay or papier mâché? If you haven't and want to learn more, check out my Christmas playlist or visit me on Etsy and take one of my workshops. Meanwhile, explore the possibilities through the holiday season. Now is the time to get down from the shelf and create an elf. They make great Christmas gifts. I hope you'll give these a try. So bye for now, and I'll see you next time.